Hey, welcome to my channel. You might have a membership site, and if you do, this video is for you. I'm gonna talk in this video about how to increase the value of your membership site to make it more appealing and more irresistible to your members, to get them to stay in, and to new members that are coming into the membership site. There's one simple thing that you can do that can increase the value overall, and we're gonna talk about it in this video. My name's Lane. If you're new, I'm so glad that you're here. I love to help entrepreneurs start and grow online businesses. And in this series, we're talking about how to do that on Kajabi. This is actually day 76 of a 90 video series I'm doing called Crush It on Kajabi, where we've been looking at Kajabi and how to start, build, and grow your business on that platform. And if you want to get started on Kajabi, be sure to click my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. That is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you use it, but you get some pretty cool perks as well. First, you get a 30-day free trial, which is awesome. 30 days, check it out, see if you like it. You also get a 45-minute Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, and how to get the best possible start on that platform. And then I'm also going to give you my $25,000 course launch email template, which are the exact emails and email strategy that I used to launch my first course on Kajabi, which made over $25,000. I want to give you all of that as a way to say thank you for using my link, because it does help support the work that I'm doing. So if you appreciate what we're doing and you're gonna check out Kajabi anyway, then be sure to use my link below. All right, so let's talk about membership sites. And we've been talking a little bit about membership sites over the last few days. And there's lots of different ways to increase the value. There's lots of different ways to help make the people who are in your membership site stick in your membership site. But there's one thing that might be overlooked by some, and it's such a simple thing to do. And here it is. This is the whole thing. When you do live Q&As in your membership site, when you go live with your audience, which I think you should do at least once a month, you ought to have an element where they get direct, in the moment access to you. And you can do it webinar style where they can submit questions via chat. This is what I do, but it's live and it's in the moment and it's exclusively for the people in my site. If you do that, which I think you should, be sure to include those, record those, and include those in your membership. So there ought to be a backlog of every month that you've ever done that, or if you've never done this, start now, record those, and make them their own little masterclass in your membership site. So the way I structure it is I actually have a masterclass once a month, and then I have a Q&A call once a month. So each month they're getting two different pieces of content from me, but one of those is live, and sometimes people will do the live thing and that's it. They don't record it, they don't stick it in the membership site, and I think they're missing a massive opportunity, because if there is some really good questions asked and some really good questions answered, and you've got lots of incredible content where you're answering questions from real people in your membership site, your students, it's a wonderful opportunity to leave that in there and make it searchable. And break down the timestamps, do something where people can look through, maybe take one Q&A section that's an hour long and break it up into several videos, and then use that as content in your membership site where it originated. If you do that, what happens is over time, your membership site becomes more and more and more valuable, so that when somebody joins, you can say, hey, we've got several months or several years of content and all these amazing questions that people asked that you can learn from the answers to their questions. So go check all that out. It's right here in the membership. When you can say things like that, it increases the value and it helps when recruiting new people to your membership site, when you can say that there's this massive backlog of content. And this is super easy to do, of course, on Kajabi, which if you're going to try out Kajabi, use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Let me know in the comments what questions you have about the platform. And at this point, check out this playlist right here, and we will talk more about Kajabi in there.